Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to merge Windows 10 C and D drive without losing data. Type Many Tool Partition Wizard in browser search bar. Click Partition Manager for Windows. Click Download now. Open downloaded file. Click OK to continue. Right-click, click Merge. Select C drive, click Next. Select D drive, click Finish. Click Apply. Click Yes. Click Restart now. Type Create Partition in Windows search bar. D drive contents are saved to merged partition content. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.